get. I can follow the test on this semester. If I cannot do that, well, I need to repeat the subject again on the next semester. So I have like a difficulty to divide my times for my work and my like stream schedule. So because it's something like exhausting me. You know, if you will be a streamer, you will give the audience what they expected. You know, they don't know if you are tired or not, or you are in a good condition or not. I think they have no opinion about that. So you have give a best perform for your audience. I think I don't know if that only Matok or every streamer feel that. So hey Angel, thanks for stopping by. Good to see you. So I have like yeah, I have like a lot of things to do in my real life, and I've been like in stress of doing my work and doing my stream. So I think I will stream when I have time, but I'm not doing like a lot of as much as before. I will like doing stream a lot if I have like free time for doing that. And then thanks for your support, guys. I always appreciate all of you always being here to support me, and I feel so blessed. Like I have been knowing you all, even we cannot meet in like in real life, but that's a God bless for me to know you. I just wanted to say thank you for all the support, and you all always be with me in during like almost 1 year. Maybe you know me. I'm trying my best to be like a better streamer every day. So yeah, thanks for always here for me. I wish you will not like feel bored with I don't know. Sometimes I don't know what I supposed to be my content. You know, sometimes I feel it's kind of so poor. I wish you are not like. I think this my content mostly is a boring content. You know. Maybe I will share a bit about me. I'm a Nasian. Um, heard about Malaysia, then Philippines. That's my neighbor country, in the north. And in the west, I think in the west is Papua New Guinea. And I think in the east, in the east is Papua New Guinea, and in the west, I think there is Pacific Ocean in the west. Indian. Oh, in the west is Indian Ocean, and in the south we are close to Australia, and my country name is Indonesian. Yeah, I'm Indonesian, and I cannot like speak English fluent because my national language is in English. I speak Bahasa, and then I have ethnicity. There is a lot of island in my country, more than 1,000 island, and I live in an island called Java. So I am originated from Java. So my ethnic is Javanese. Yeah, I'm an Asian. Maybe you sometimes I heard that a lot, like why I'm very quiet person. I'm not like to talk a lot of things. First thing is I don't know what to talk with you. That's the first thing, and I think mostly one of my viewers, they don't talk to me back, so I don't know. I just talk to my bot or something. That's why I am very quiet, and my characteristic is also I am a very quiet person. I am not a talkative person. I'm only talk if I have something to talk, or if I have something to share to you. If I'm not feeling, then just Xboxy or to follow, but to see you. Thank you for joining our community. Welcome. Yeah, that's why I'm not a talkative person. And the second is I cannot speak English very much. My vocab is very limited. This is my first time, I think, talk a lot of things. I don't know, almost maybe 20 minutes using English. Usually I didn't, or I never did it. I never do this before. But I think as a streamer, you need to talk to your audience a lot, to them, to get close to them. Does the good streamer be? Yeah, I'm doing a lot. Okay, maybe wanna know my. I'm a vocal person in the real life. I'm teaching. That's why I need to